What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen, how to cook. And honey, today we're cooking vegan meatballs in 10 minutes. Now, make sure you subscribe though and turn on your post notifications so you will always be reminded whenever your girl upload a brand new video. And for all of my returning goodies, una don't know say una girl love now to the max. Una ready for cook? Let's cook. Okay, my fabulous love bug goodies. Let's cook up this vegan meatball recipe in under 10 minutes. And most of the items here I found in my local supermarket at Aldi's. So go ahead and check them out, the one near you, right? Now, these meatballs is what I found. I've actually found two of them, and I will do another recipe for the other one, all right? This one is a classic meatless meatball. Vegan meatball with soy. So this has soy in it. So if you are allergic to soy, this is not the one for you. They do have another one, like I said before, that I did buy. I'm going to show you guys another recipe, right? But this one does have soy in it. Now, make sure you can also make your meatball from scratch. You know, I do that all the time. But today we are making this recipe in under 10 minutes using the Aldi's meatball, right? Now, this one is exactly 180 calories and it's a serving for 5, all right? So since as I'm the only one, well, baby girl may have some of this, but my husband is not vegan. So this is going to serve me up for like probably about 4 meals from today, or 3 meals, right? Now, I did buy this in Aldi's also, and the spaghetti sauce. You're going to need garlic, black pepper, and I'm using the salt-free seasoning because that's what I use when most of the time when I'm cooking for myself. Onion and garlic powder for sure. And I'm going to add some apple cider vinegar because I never cook without that. And we're going to use this vegan butter spread here, and this is the almond flavor. It is so good, y'all. You have a nice little sweetness to it. I'm going to tell you before. Think tastes so nice. So we're going to use it into it. And this is my vegan mayo. And I did purchase this one. I think if I didn't get it on Amazon, I probably bought it in Didi's discount store. I think Didi's may buy that in Didi's discount store. Either Didi's discount store or Amazon. But that's most of the time that's where I buy my mayo and stuff like that if I don't feel like making it. And the bread here is from Aldi's. I'm going to use this to make a sandwich. I'm going to have lunch because this is around lunchtime. So I am going to have a lunch from this. And then I'll put the rest up to eat with some spaghettis or something like that. All right. And this bread serves for three. Now, the cheese here is from Aldi's, the vegan mozzarella cheese, and trust me, it's something so nice. I've cooked it in many of my recipes in prior times in my vegan lifestyle, because y'all know that this is my second time going vegan, y'all. So I've had this many times. It has 90 calories in it, and it tastes really good. And I am going to be using my cheddar cheese to make my sandwich. I'll probably put it on camera, maybe not, but I'm going to add some lettuce to my sandwich, and I'm also going to have some sweet, some bread, butter chips right here, right? Pickles. Yeah, I love it. It tastes nice, and that is from Aldi's store, right? All right, so that is about it, y'all. Let's put all these ingredients together in under 10 minutes. Let's go. Now, in my pan here, I'm going to go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of the vegan butter here, and this is all plant-based, all right? And then I'm going to add some of my chopped garlic. You could add the other one if you want to chop it up. Go ahead and do that. I'm not do that today. And all you want to do is just combine these together with your fire at a medium heat. Only your fire at a medium heat. Make sure you have that there, and just melt the butter onto the garlic, all right? That's all you're doing here. Alrighty. Now after it's all melted and stuff, like yeah, pretty much melted, goody, like this all, you're going to go ahead and add your spaghetti sauce, whatever it is that you like, whatever flavor that you like, you add it to it. And I think I used about a half of the bottle of it, right? Then I added some onion and garlic powder, all right? And honey, child, me not measure nothing right, so you know, I just eyeball the thing. Now I did add some salt-free season to it, right? Because I am going salt-free with my food because blood pressure problem running at my family. And I'm going to add some black pepper, turn it up a notch. All right. And I decided to go in and add some of this red pepper flakes to it, just a little bit. Y'all know that I do not like anything spicy. I'm an Uncle Jamaican when I like spice. But I did have some of the red pepper flakes just to kick it up a notch. Give it a little lift. And of course, girl now left our apple cider vinegar or plain vinegar or any kind of vinegar in any kind of cooking, right? And just combine all that together with my fire still at a medium heat, right? And that's it. Now you want to be sure though, because I eyeball the thing, and you're going to eyeball yours as well. You're going to go in and you're going to have to give it a taste, okay? Because everybody's taste buds is different, okay? You're going to go ahead and taste it to make sure that it is of your liking. I wanted a little bit more tat to it, so I went in and added some more of that all-purpose season, but it's salt-free. And I went in and had just a little bit, and I know right off the bat that was it. I didn't need to add anything else, and I just went ahead and just threw my meatballs in it, okay? Now, goodie, please know that this is a very quick recipe, and it is made with the frozen meatball from Aldi's. Some of you might not want to use that, simply because it is frozen from the store, but I do have that playlist down below. You could go ahead and check that out. I do have a lot of vegan recipes there in the vegan playlist, and I do have meatball recipes in there, so you could go ahead and follow one of those, right? But in this kitchen right here, this is the route that I am going, all right? So let's just make that a disclosure, okay? Now, what you want to do is make sure that you coat your meatball with your nice sauce right there, because it has a lot of flavor and it's going to give those meatballs. It's going to soak into the meatball, and that's what you want to do here. But before you cover it up, go ahead and just add some fresh parsley, and if you don't have the fresh one, add the dry parsley. This is going to work just fine. Then I'm going to go in with my vegan mozzarella cheese and just go ahead and sprinkle that on. And also I do have a vegan mozzarella cheese recipe that I did as well. If you don't want to go the frozen one here, it is also in my playlist, all right? So follow the recipe there. I have sharp cheddar cheese recipe, how to make cheddar cheese and how to make mozzarella cheese in the vegan playlist. So go ahead and check it out if you want to go fresh, okay? Now, this is what it looks like with your fire still at a medium heat, but I did turn it down a tad bit on low heat because I only want it to steam. I don't want it to cook. And just go ahead and cover it up and allow it to steam and do what it needs to do for, I'd say, about 6 minutes at the most, okay? Now, when you are done after that 6 minutes and a total of 10 minutes of cooking all together, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to have a wonderful smell to it. The cheese has melted and clinged on to your meatballs, honey. It is so good. You are going to love it. Let me tell you something good. You can have this with rice and peas, white rice, mashed potatoes. You can have it with a baked potato. You can have it with a baked sweet potato, mashed sweet potato, spaghetti, pasta, whatever it is that you so choose. Go ahead and have it. But I did have this for lunch. And I did have it on the flatbread, just like I tell you before. And I did pack on everything. So it was a big old sandwich, honey, but it was so good. And I did give baby girl some because her husband is not vegan. So I did freeze the rest of it with some spaghetti and a baked potato and a baked sweet potato as well. So I have three more meals from this that I have in my freezer. But overall, y'all, trust me, the meatball tasted really good. Really meat. Like, I was really surprised. Honey, my vegan life is a very happy one. I am loving every minute of it in my Jamaican kitchen. Now, y'all, make sure that you are loving these recipes. And that right there is my sandwich. Honey, it was so good. It was loaded, honey. When I say loaded, I mean loaded. The thing was massive. Better than Subway. Please don't forget to thumbs up the videos and share with all your friends, man, because sharing is caring, right? And when you get done doing all of that, tell me where you want to see me cook next in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy!